There are about 8.7 billion devices which use the internet in some or the other way.
This video is brought to you by EpiPies Academy.
And now if you divide it by the number of people who use the internet, then you get that on an average there are 2 to 3 devices which are used on a per person basis on the entire planet. This is simply huge in terms of where JavaScript can actually take you. I am Vinay Fadnis, instructor of an already successful course called Machine Learning Genetic Algorithm, and I feel extremely delighted to launch a brand new course, Machine Learning Bootcamp using TensorFlow.js. Then in this particular course you will learn to first of all understand and implement basic programs in JavaScript. So we talk about the very basics of writing simple programs by including the variables, loops, the conditions in JavaScript. Then you can focus on understanding and building by using the basic blocks of TensorFlow, which are called tensors, and I find it very important to focus on such a basic thing because this is what not many people tend to talk about when they start a TensorFlow course, but I find it very important. Then we'll build a full stack web application by having a lot of dependencies and that particular web application will basically find the best fit curve between some data points. And yes, if you are wondering, these images are from the lectures of this particular course, then you will understand how neural networks work on a fundamental level. Okay, so I like to break things into very tiny pieces so that as a beginner it is an excellent way for you to learn, or as an expert it is also a good resource to polish your existing resources to a good degree. So then with such a tremendous demand for machine learning, I would simply encourage you to invest in yourself and sign up for this course, because at the end of it you will be capable to do a lot of machine learning related stuff. Okay, so I can't wait to see you on the other side.